Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video I want to share with you doing a tabby weave on an A2 size foam board. So I'm going to be using lots of different fabrics, but I just want to show you that you can really explore experimenting with different fabrics with only one technique with results. All right then, let's get into the video. And there's little Layla. So what I'm doing here is I've got my foam board and I like to mark off every centimetre along so that I can create a warp, a loom. So as you know, I have doing a lot of weaves and textile weaves, and I really enjoy stretching them on this foam board. And quite often I do actually leave the weave on the board. I just like the way it's nice and taut and stretched. Sometimes I take them off. So this is what it looks like. And I've just got a scalpel and just put little cuts in the edges of the foam board on either side. So right now I would really like to, oops, whoopsie daisy. Okay, there we go. Right now, I'd really like to use up all of these materials that I've had for ages. You can see there's a little bit of a trend here with all the colours that I'm interested in, the dusty pinks, the pale browns, the neutrals, the blossom pinks. All of these, I'd really like to do a weave on this board, which is kind of getting into the tabby weave, the plain weave, and then I'd like to construct on top of it. So right now I'm just going to prepare some strips of fabric, some lengths, so that I can use them easily in my weave. Okay, so I've just started off doing a tabby weave and I'm just using all the bits of fabrics that I've got here, and I'm just kind of organically going for it with just using this one technique right now for the background. I'm saying the background, I do want obviously the weave to be looking really good too, but I want to construct into it to make 3D elements to it with some macrame probably. So this is where I'm up to, and yeah, just literally just using my hands actually with the fabric, no need to thread it through the eye of the weaving needle. I think this is fine. I'm liking just like leaving little bits of fabrics hanging off as well. So I'm going to get a little bit more of this done, and then obviously I will show you in a bit. Okay, this is where we're up to. I've only got a small amount left to do, but I've been using all the fabrics over here that I've got, and I'm just trying to think about the placement in terms of spreading out the light and dark colours and making sure that it all looks quite balanced. As you know, I do like the fact that you can just leave little bits of fabrics, bits and bobs just dangling down. For some reason, that's the way that I like to do it. So I'm going to crack on and just get this finished off. So under, over, obviously there's a lot of repetition with the tabby weave, under, over, but you can get some great results by just varying up what it is that you're using to weave with. So when I'm doing weaves like this, I obviously have on in the background some other YouTube videos which I like to listen to. I've just been watching Catherine Manning. What I'll do is I'll link, as I normally would, I'll link in the description box below what I've been watching, as there are quite a few, I've been building up quite a few people that I'm watching now on YouTube, just because it's interesting, I'm learning something, I'll use it as catching up with people, what they're up to. Anyway, I'm nearly over here now. Just got a little bit left to do. But I really like that just as it is. And I would happily have that on my wall. But as I said, I want to keep pushing forwards and developing ideas. So I'm thinking, you see in the background up there, that I would like to start doing some smocking to somehow incorporate into weaves. And I'd also like to do some macrame, like some of the ones that I've got in this weave here. So there's some more smocking. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm actually thinking that I'm going to end this video right here, because I am happy with where this is at. And what I'd like to do in the next following videos is start doing different techniques that I can incorporate on top of the weave. So as I said, what I'm interested in doing is, whereas this is mainly 2D with some 3D elements popping out, I'd really like to do more constructed pieces within it. So I will bring you along with the techniques that I'm going to add to it. So we'll probably make those separately, and I'll make some videos with those separately, those techniques, and then I will start combining the two. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and sorry I wasn't around there for a little while. You can go to TikTok and you can see that I've been doing some other drawings for work instead, and have a look at those. Let's enjoy getting into some more YouTube videos over the next couple of weeks, and I'll be sharing with you even more weaving techniques and macrame to add to your weaves. Subscribe if you'd like, and share the channel, and I shall see you in the very next video. Bye!